Wolfpack. We heading out to a car meet, bike meet. I'm about to head up, meet up with Wes. And from there, we're going to ride out. I'm a little late. My sugar was low. And look at this Supra. Woo! This is nice. That is real nice. It's sleek too. Look at that. And then you got the tail on the back. That thing is nice. I want a Supra so bad. Look at how sleek it is too. Oh my god. That's just clean. Oh, you got the calipers on it? Oh yeah, that's nice. Oh, it's got the name on it too. Oh yeah. Do you see the front of it? Oh yeah, that's nice. Alright. Probably gonna have to get gas before I get there. But I didn't have my camera recording, but some dudes made a U-turn just to come look at the H2, which is kind of funny. But that's why I got to keep my camera on there recording. But man, that's a nice Supra. Whew. I need more money. I need way more money, so I can just buy whatever I want to buy. I don't think that Supra gonna line up with me. I mean, I would love the Supra lined up with me. Y'all like it? I'll be kind of fun. Y'all like it? He's probably going to the same car meet though. Probably going to the same meet. Man, that's just nice. It literally looks like the Batmobile. Like, it literally looks like the Batmobile. Like, how it's just like smooth. Like, I want one! I want one! Stay focused. I gotta get more content out. I gotta flood YouTube. I gotta flood the market. I gotta flood the ether, the algorithm. Like, it's all in my hand, but I just won't grab it with my other hand. I have to do better. I need to do better. I'm picking up hours so I can do some other stuff, buy some other stuff. I need to do better. I probably should have waited a little bit for that Supra. I don't think the Supra gonna line up, but you know what I'm saying? If he did, that's not how Jade sound. That's not how Jade sound. I forgot I got these. I got a hoodie on, and I got these freaking things knocking on my neck. I gotta tuck them, the little drawstring. You probably can't even hear it over there, freaking between my fat ass breathing and Jade, her freaking engine purring. late. Hey, my sugar was low, man. I got an excuse. Oh, that's a hell hat. No, nobody care about that shit. We're gonna get over this. We're gonna get over this hill and do a pull. I'm almost saying that dude going to that bike meet, the car meet. Marcus is supposed to come, but he got to work in the morning, so he's not coming. It's such a nice night too. Oh my gosh. Oh, I didn't bring my sticker for my damn YouTube channel. I'm tripping. That's alright. I wonder if that's an automatic or a manual. I just need like an emerald green vehicle to go with the bike. I need to turn the camera off. My boy Pharaoh back there. I think he got a backpack. Oh, he got a little baddie back there. Oh, that's not Pharaoh. I don't know who that is. That's a nice bike though. Hey, sit the fuck down! Sit down! Hey, that's why you gotta pay. You come over here, you pay. We got money. We don't got money, we broke. I'm just flexing, I'm hype. I'm getting too crap. We gonna lean? Oh, shit, AC can't lean. Yeah, it can. There's always somebody here. Somebody in the way. need another bike just so I can put a girl on the back. Really? Jeez. God damn, what the hell going on here? What the hell? There's a ton of bikes out here. I've seen that bike before plenty of times. Oh, this is nice too. Holy shit. What's good, bro? How you doing? Good. What's up, bro? Damn, this is real nice. Ninja 400, 1400. Two brothers. You don't see that no more. Yamaha. Yamaha. CBR. They got everything here. That fucking Arrow, that's nice too. Jeez. I got some money out here. What the hell going on here? Harley. Gixxer. Repsol. Gixxer. 750. They got a lot of bikes. Dang, I ain't getting no invite. That's fucked up. ZX10. That shit nice. Hey, this ain't nice. This ain't nice.
I appreciate it. That's why they were trying to do a one for one. They was like, oh, see, yeah, we'll take it.
Yeah, I bet they would.
Yeah. Yeah. That shit was so funny. My wife was like, why would you do that? She was like, don't do that.
Yeah.
So,
nah, this thing is clean. Okay. Yeah, you might have to keep it, bro. You might have to just keep it.
Yeah,
damn.
Yeah, I did all this myself. Except when you're on a camera.
Yeah.
I put everything on myself.
Damn.
I just know people gonna be over here.
Yeah, I pulled up like, what the hell?
Yeah. Is Nando coming?
Nah, he out of town with his girl. Yeah. That's sweet. I swear we're gonna hit every light tonight on the way there. I actually might just stop this. We're gonna have to pick up when we get there. His bike stank.